Hey Jalen.
Yeah.
You know that if you dance for 30 seconds, you'll yawn in like 3 seconds.
Yeah, let's do this.